This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. TikTok has been hustling. And let me just say, they've probably been working some crazy overtime because they just released 7 major updates. And I'm here to make sure you're caught up with everything that's going on. And before we get into the video, as custom, I always like to leave you guys a little compliment. And I do have to say, did you do something different with your hair? Because I love it. I'm digging it. I think I'm a little close to the camera. Let's back up. I talked about this brand new feature in my TikTok updates for October of 2022, so make sure you guys go and check out that video. I'll make sure to link it down in the description below. Let's just say this. Instagram is trying to be more like TikTok by putting more emphasis on video content, and TikTok is trying to become more like Instagram with photo mode, making it so you can essentially add multiple photos that people can scroll through, kind of like an Instagram story, and you can also add music onto it. In July of this year, a Google senior vice president said this.
In our studies, something like almost 40% of young people, when they're looking for a place for lunch, they don't go to Google Maps or search, they go to TikTok or Instagram.
I think this presents a pretty unique opportunity. If TikTok can push creators to treat TikTok more like a search engine, that's gonna increase the time that people use the platform and help TikTok grow bigger than they already are. And with TikTok being treated more and more like a search engine, that leads us directly on to the next update. Before this update, you were only allowed up to 300 characters to type anything you wanted in the caption of your video. Now, you are allowed to type up to 2,200 characters in your caption. That is a huge jump, but we can make the assumption that this change in character limit is to better position TikTok as a search engine. In order to be an effective search engine, as well as social media platform, TikTok needs to be able to recommend relevant content to its viewers, and the way it does that is through keywords. The more keywords that you can add on your post, the easier it will be for TikTok to actually serve that content to people who are actually looking for it. Now, this feature is slowly being rolled out, as most features do for TikTok, so if you don't have it yet, don't panic. To check if you have this feature, go ahead and tap on the closed captions on one of your published videos. And if the update has rolled out to your account, you will see an edit button. This update is really useful for creators because if you see a mistake that was made in your captions, but you've already posted the video, this update allows you to go in and change it, which I think is fabulous. So let me show you guys this update. So if I scroll to the comment section of one of these videos on my For You page, you can see on the right-hand side, there is now an option to dislike the comment. Now, this update isn't so people can just be haters on TikTok and things like that. It's actually to help the ranking of the comments, because you can see, you can like a comment. So if I like this comment here, you can see this comment has 62,000 likes. And so that helps TikTok know the ranking of the best comments. And if you dislike certain comments, that's also going to give them more information. What is nice is if you do dislike a comment, it's not going to show you how many people have disliked it. That's going to be on the internal AI of TikTok. I think that's similar to the new YouTube update, because you know, if you dislike a video on YouTube, it doesn't actually show you how many people have disliked the video. So that's going to be the same for TikTok. So if I dislike that comment, it's not going to show me how many people have disliked it, or I can uncheck it and undislike it. But that is a new update to help TikTok kind of figure out and better understand the comment rankings for each of your videos. So you know that really annoying moment when you're watching a video on TikTok and then all of a sudden their caption or username covers the text on the screen so you can't actually read it? It's pretty annoying. As a creator, I would still recommend doing your best to edit your content so that doesn't happen, but as a viewer, sometimes it can be annoying. Insert clear mode. If you're scrolling on your TikTok For You page and you click and hold on a video, if this update has rolled out to your account, you should see an option to view the video in clear mode. Instead of seeing a video like this, you'll now see it like this. And this is really useful when you're trying to view videos, but the text is cut off either by the caption or the buttons on the right-hand side. Now, this update was driving me crazy because I kept seeing episode numbers pop up on people's captions, and I was so confused. I was like, what is happening with these episode things? But I am happy to inform you, I am no longer in the dark. TikTok has applied this episode update to videos in playlists. So if you add a video to a playlist, TikTok is going to automatically add it as an episode wherever it falls in that playlist. My recommendation here is to go into your playlists and make sure they're all ordered correctly, and if not, go ahead and reorder those. I'm gonna link an article down below giving you all the details of creating and managing your playlists, and one of the things that they cover in that article is how to reorder your playlists. It's really simple. You're just clicking and dragging videos, so you don't have to go and repost them or anything, but make sure you go and check out that article. So there you guys go. That is 7 major updates to keep your eye out for when it comes to posting on TikTok. If you guys have any questions, hit me up in that comment section down below. And if you found any value, please consider liking and subscribing because it really does help support my channel so much. I love you guys, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, dudes. 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die.